Good morning, my name is Shreya Patidar. Our today's topic is 2D transformation in computer graphics. In this video, we will include translation and scaling. Translation. Translation is the process of changing the position of an object in a straight line path from one coordinate location to another. We can translate a two-dimensional point by adding translation distance tx and ty. Suppose the original position is x comma y, then the new position is x dash and the y dash. Here, x dash, the new position, equals to x plus tx and y dash is equals to y plus ty. As you can see, this p is our old point. When we perform translation, the point gets shifted to new location. Matrix form of the equations. X dash is equals to x plus tx and y dash is equals to y plus ty is, as p is our old point, the old coordinates are x and y and the new coordinates are x dash and the y dash, and the t is our translation distance in x and in y. We can write it as p dash is equals to p plus t. Question. Translate a polygon with coordinates a 2, 5, b 7, 10 and c 10, 2 by 3 units in x direction and 4 units in y direction. Solution. As given a, b, c coordinates and tx and ty are given. The new points of a dash r is equals to a plus t, as old coordinates are 2, 5 and the translation in x direction and y direction is 3 and 4. When we add these both matrix we get 5, 9. B dash is equals to b plus t. Old points of the b are 7, 10 and the translation in x and y is 3 and 4. When we add both the matrix we get 10 and 14. C dash is equals to C plus 10. Old coordinates of the C are 10 and 2 and the translation in x direction is 3 and translation in y direction is 4. When we add both the matrix we get 13 and 6. As you can see here, this is our old figure where a is 2, 5. When we perform translation, a becomes 5, 9. B becomes 10, 14 and the C becomes 13, 6. As you can see, this dotted blue figure become after translation. Scaling. A scaling transformation changes the size of an object. This operation can be carried out for polygons by multiplying the coordinates value x, y of each vertex by scaling factor sx and sy to produce the transformed coordinates x dash and y dash. As x dash is equals to x dot sx and y dash is equals to y dot sy. In matrix form, x dash and y dash is equals to xy. This is our old coordinates. Get product with scaling factor sx and sy. As you can see, this is our original image. When we perform scaling on it, this image get enlarged. Question. Given a square object with coordinate points a 0, 3, b 3, 3 and c 3, 0, d 0, 0, applying the scaling parameter 2 towards x-axis and 3 towards y-axis and obtain the new coordinates of the object. Solution. Given the all coordinates a 0, 3, b 3, 3, c 3, 0 and d 0, 0. Scaling factor along x-axis is 2. Scaling factor along y-axis 3. For coordinate a 0, 3, let the new coordinates of corner a after scaling becomes x dash and y dash. Applying the scaling equation we have, since we know that the scaling equation s dash is equals to x into sx. Here x is 3 and sx is 2. Similarly for y is 3 and sy is 3. When we product, we get 9. Thus the new coordinates of corner A after scaling is 0, 9. For coordinate b 3, 3, let the new coordinates of the corner B after scaling x dash and y dash. Applying the scaling equation we have x dash is equals to x into sx is equals to sx is 3 and sx is 2 is equals to 6. Y dash is equals to y into sy, as here y is 3 and the scaling factor in y direction is also 3. When we product it 9, the new coordinates of the corner B after scaling become 6, 9. For coordinate C, similarly we apply the scaling equation and put the coordinates and perform product. Then we get the new scaling factor, new scaling coordinates of C are 6, 0. Similarly for D, we put values in the scaling equation. When we perform scaling, we get the new coordinates of the D after scaling 0, 0. As you can see, this is our original image with the A, B, C, D corner, D coordinates. When we apply scaling on it, we get enlarged image. As you can see here, A dash, new coordinates of A 0, 9, new coordinates of B are 6, 9, new coordinates of the C are 6, 0, and the new coordinates of the D are 0, 0. Thank you.